You know I'm a patient, so why'd you leave me waiting outside a station? Was a mindless decrease if I get what you're saying? I just really don't want to hear it right now. Shut up or wait once in your life. Listen to me. Take nice words of advice about having a dialogue. Keep turning the 3 circles for you and you line up and really can't even so slack. Oh, I to be, 'cause I'm too messy. But this is sucking clean. It told me little jobs. Oh, Mickey Mouse, Mama Days, and it's okay. You can't even talk. So we just sleep is at the 4 o'clock. Do you wanna go home to me? And don't say hello, 'cause I got high again. I forgot to use some clothes. 'Cause I'm too messy.